Here's a 2018 Nissan Maxima. This is the kind of sedan that doesn't just take corners, it owns them. Everyday sedan sensibility combines with power and handling to make this an everyday driver that is anything but ordinary. Enjoy the performance offered by the Xtronic CVT with Drive Mode Selector, matched to the 300 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine. It also has a suite of convenience and safety features to ensure driving confidence, including Bluetooth, voice recognition for audio and navigation, and a hands-free text messaging assistant. The Advanced Drive Assist display and Nissan Connect with navigation keeps you in the know. This Maxima is a step ahead of the rest. See it for yourself today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.